Hello everyone, welcome again to the Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we will start talking about creating the casting of the reciprocating saw. So, what is the purpose of the casting again? Well, it has the purpose to hold in place all the electronic and mechanical components of the reciprocating saw, and also it needs to be designed to afford being held by the user. The user will handle this part and this part in order to grip the reciprocating saw and hold it in place. But what do you observe about the casting is that it is symmetric. So that means we need to design only one part and we'll have the other part too. Also, an interesting thing is that it is held in place with screws, and that means that we need to create then some parts that will help us hold the screws in place, and also some parts that are holding in place the mechanical parts, and also the casting for the electronic ones. Good. So what we'll need is creating only one side that has the handle, the hole that permits the user to put his finger to press the button, and the whole body that covers the mechanical and electronical parts. So let's open a new design. And what do we need to sort? Well, first, I will create a component. So let's see. How to name it? Casting. Perfect. Good. Now I activated the component, and I will save the project. Reciprocating saw. Good. Now, how I will start doing it, because it looks like pretty hard. Well, it is if we will start from our mind and doing by hand. But we will use canvases. So I will go to insert. I will insert from my computer, and I will insert first this one, which is the front view. I will click OK. And I will insert the second one too, which is the side one, so the right. And I will click OK. Right now, the canvases are very, very small. So what is the first step? Calibrating them. So I will go here to canvases. Let's rename this front. And what can I use to calibrate them? I will use this measurement. So I will go with calibrate. I will go very close here and to the other side. And I will insert the dimension needed. Perfect. Now that I calibrated the front side, the next one is the right side. So I will go to see here, but I don't have any measurement. So what I'm gonna do, it's quite simple. I know that this line corresponds to this one. So I will go to the front. I will calibrate it to see the measurement, but I will use this, sorry. Again, I will use this line, so I know. So it is 157 millimeters. I will copy it, and I will go and to the side. Very important tip, before calibrating, be perpendicular on the view of the canvas. And I will do calibrate. I will select those 2 points and I will insert it. And as you can see, I have those 2 in place. I will save, add, and calibrate canvases. See you into the next videos to see how I can start 3D modeling the casting.